5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And liftoff.
Should be discharged now.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
Entering burnout detect mode.
Crank ship run 1.
At T+1 minute and Electron is in the air and onward to the moon for the CAPSTONE mission. That rocket is soaring through this nighttime sky, now past 14 kilometers in altitude in these past few minutes, and then called across mission control comms as MECO, or main engine cutoff.
Seeker confirmed.
So with the Rutherford engine cooling down, that tells us that second engine cutoff was successful on Electron's second stage.